Is your data safe on the internet? Using the internet puts your data at risk. Consider shopping as an example. You send your data to a website. That website can be hacked. Bigger companies spend more money on security, so should be safer. A site with HTTPS is more secure by design. This is done through coded encryption. But the server from which you send can be at risk as well. Organizations should have better security than your home service, but they are more likely to be targeted. Your data can also be caught while it's being sent. Not as likely though. Your biggest threat, however, is you. If you go to sites offering better than believable freebies, they could infect you with malware and viruses that can get into your system, your hard drive, and really cause breaches. So be careful. Use only secure sites. Don't download from unknown sites or for free stuff. Use security software like Malwarebytes or Symantec. And remember, nothing guarantees absolute safety. Even Google tracks your data and has been known to use it in ways many consider inappropriate. Just use your head and bookmark these tips. It's all about managing risk. Happy surfing.